Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power x plus 2 minus 3 power y plus 1 is equals to 5 and 2 power x plus 3 power y is equals to 17 and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm taking this equation as 1 and this as equation 2. So from equation second, I'll find the value of 2 power x, that is 17. Here is plus 3 power y, goes to other side, minus 3 power y. So I'm considering it as equation number third. Now I'm going to put the value of equation number third in first. So first I'm taking this equation, 2 power x plus 2 minus 3 power y plus 1 is equals to 5. So we can break it as 2 power x times 2 power 2 minus 3 power y times 3 is equals to 5. Now value of 2 power x is 17 minus 3 power y and 2 square is 4 minus 3 power y times 3 is equals to 5. So if we multiply 17 with 4, we get 68 minus 3 power y times 4 minus 3 power y times 3 is equals to 5. I'll take this 5 here. So 68 minus 3 power y times 4 minus 3 power y times 3 is equals minus 5. Plus 5 come to this side, minus 5 is equals to 0. Now I'll take the substitution as 3 power y is equals to a. So 68 minus 5 is 63 minus 4a minus 3a is equals to 0. So 63 minus 7a is equals to 0. So 63 is equals to minus 7 equals to other side 7a. 63 divided by 7 is equals to a. So the value of a is 9. So we have taken the substitution. So 3 power y is equals to 9. 3 power y is equals to 9. We can write it as 3 square. So if we compare both sides, the base are equal, their power are also equal. So the value of y is 2. Now I'm going to substitute the value of y in question number third. So 2 power x is equals to 17 minus 3 power 2. So 2 power x is equals to 17 minus 9. So 2 power x is equals to 17 minus 9 is 8. And 8 we can write it as 2 power 3. So x is equals to 3. So the value of x is 3 and y is 2 in this case. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.